Now, after we have configured IPv6 on both of our machines, I would like to show you some of the commands which are slightly different from the regular IP commands. So if I want to show the IP address on this machine, which is version 6, I'll type in IP space -6 or -6 address. And instead of showing me all the interfaces, it'll only show the interface. It's showing loopback as well as the interface which has the IPv6 address configured, which is this one right here that we configured earlier. Okay, and another useful command, it's kind of similar to Cisco's CDP command. If you're familiar with that, it shows the neighbors that are connected to this one device. So if I do this, so there are some other ones also, but the ones that I'm interested in is our other machine that we configured, because it has a field 5 at the end, so it's showing that as a neighbor. Another command is to view IPv6 connections to local interfaces, and just like we have netstat command in Linux for IPv4, we have one for IPv6 as well. inet6-rn. It'll show you all the local interface connections. If you want to run ping command through a particular okay, you can also use sniffing tools like TCP dump IP6, and this will start the traffic monitoring or traffic capture on the interface. Okay. If you want to configure the default route, IP-6 route add default via, and then you can give the default route db6::1. Suppose if that's our default route. Okay, that's the command. If I'll do it, then I'll probably lose connectivity because that's not my default route. If you just want to view the routes that are configured on the machine, you can do route-n-a inet six. It shows routes set for your network interfaces. If you want to run a trace route, you can do trace route-6 and then the address that you're trace routing to. To check the configuration, you can do route-a inet 6. Okay, that'll show you the current configuration.